Hi everyone, so today you're going to be working on your Who Would Win graphic organizer. So here you're going to watch me go through mine as a model and then you are going to fill out yours. So when I think back to the animals I researched, animal one was a Labrador Retriever, and animal two was a Russian land tortoise. So now I need to fill in some information about them. So speed, animal one. So I had to do some research outside of the research I have done, which is what good researchers do, so that's okay. And I found out that a Labrador Retriever can run as fast as 20 to 30 miles per hour. And a Russian land tortoise moves as slowly as 0.63 miles per hour. That's a little over half a mile per hour, which is pretty slow. So now I'm moving on to teeth or claws. I know that a Labrador Retriever has 42 teeth, and they also have four paws that have claws, but they don't use them to harm, not for harm. I know that a Russian land tortoise has 0 teeth, but they use claws to get food. So their claws are pretty powerful. And finally, when it comes to size, I know that a male Labrador Retriever can be anywhere from 64 to 79 pounds, which tells me that Scout is a little chunky and needs to go on a diet. And a Russian land tortoise is anywhere from 1 to 3 pounds. So I gathered this information to get ready for creating my book, and you should be doing the same thing, just like this, with the 2 animals that you researched. Remember, you might have to do some additional research to fill in this information, and that's okay because researchers always keep asking questions. So good luck. If you have any questions, let me know. Bye.